So we're really excited to finally be able to supply every piece for the roof of a Nissan Figaro. So I wanted to show you because this last piece, the roof bow, has taken us well over a year to develop, and I was just going to show you how we do it. So this is the original part, and you can see this is very common. They fail, they rust, and they're completely unusable, and trying to repair them has been really hard work and not that effective. So what we've done is developed a new one, and this is the new one in bare metal, and then this is it finished. And so we've basically handmade two tools. So it's constructed like a sandwich, and you can see all the detail. Every single bracket's been put together in exactly the same way. We've got all these little locked in threads that will allow you to screw the hinges back in and it to be really sturdy. Then the two sandwiches are spot welded together so that you've got a really sturdy panel in exactly the same design as the original, with all the recesses and all the shapes. We've even gone as far as to make a tool for the sprung wires that sit on the side of the roof, so that these have got exactly the correct weighting and it holds the hood nice and taut when it's on, and these just rivet on down the side of the front bows. Here it is, completely finished, all coated and ready to bolt in the car. Like a Figaro, but better than new. So if you need any of these parts, just give us a shout, guys. Thanks.